Hello and welcome. My name is Josh Brown, and I'm so excited to host our first ever Softorino keynote. Today, we have a lot to share with you. Since the inception of Softorino, we've been creating technologically complex but simple apps that help your everyday routine. We always wanted to make and market software differently. And I truly believe that we succeeded. This year, Softorino turns 8. It all started in 2014 when we released WALTR. WALTR was and still is one of its kind apps that combines a converter and a direct-to-iOS push utility. It was a huge success. In 2015, we released SVC, which became the safest YouTube converter on the planet. In 2016, we released WALTR 2, a major update to our most popular product. And then SVC 2 came in 2017. iRing, an app to create and transfer ringtones into iPhone, which still remains one of its kind since it was released in 2018. And this year, in 2021, we've just celebrated the release of WALTR PRO, our biggest update to our most popular product. We had so much fun creating videos and stories for these apps. We got to visit Death Valley and the Great Wall of China. And all of this became possible thanks to the team at Softorino, a small but very efficient group of passionate people. But let's talk numbers. In the past 8 years, we released over 12 apps for Mac and Windows. We released over 100 updates to these apps and received over 15 million downloads up until today. And these are all huge milestones for us. And we declare all of this as Softorino Phase 1. And today, I'm very thrilled to announce Softorino Phase 2. Over the next 2 to 3 years, this phase will include 6 new product and update releases. And to introduce the first product, I would like to invite Natalie to the stage. Natalie?
Thank you, Josh. Operating systems have been designed around files and folders. Every day, we open our laptops and we see files stored inside of our folder icons. Changing folder color has become a new way for navigation and productivity. The original folder Colorizer has been historically our first Windows app that gained extreme popularity. It was released in 2010 and has gained 10 million downloads alone. Today, 11 years later, we are announcing the release of Folder Colorizer for Mac. Despite of its name, Folder Colorizer goes far beyond color change. Decals, a new way to add more sense to your folders. Emoji now go beyond text messaging to cover your folders. And images that add another way of personalization. And, of course, colors. And the best thing is, you can combine all of its features to create billions of variations to cover your folders. For instance, you can paint your work folders in green, while emoji would specify what exact type of work it is. Or you may simply inject a specific color to an important project folder. And that is an all-new Folder Colorizer for Mac. And it's available today. Back to you, Josh.
Thank you, Natalie. Wow. I can't wait for you to try Folder Colorizer for Mac. But we're just getting started. For the next announcement, I would like to invite Andrew 10 to the stage. Andrew?
Thank you, Josh. For over 25 years, people have searched for a way to download music or video from the internet. So we create SVC 2 that allows us to download music and videos from various sources. But then we discovered that more professional users use SVC 2 to download and use videos from other platforms in their professional and educational projects. Introducing SVC Pro, our next generation online media downloader, designed for pro users. The new SVC Pro will feature smart tech editing, more format support, and convenient interface design with pro users in mind. SVC Pro will be available in 2022. Back to you, Josh.
Thank you, Andrew. Our next app is not a sequel or a spin-off. It's a completely new project that we're already working on as we speak. And to present it, I would like to invite Bogdan to the stage. Bogdan?
Thank you, Josh. If you have a computer, you are not just a user. Empowered by the internet, and thanks to the apps and platforms behind us, each and every one of us became a storyteller. And to tell our stories, we always look for reference, a visual enchantment to improve our story. Introducing BigFinder, an app to search and organize copyright-free images from 3 well-known online services, all in one app. BigFinder features categories where you can find images based on subject, color, or mood. Robust search that will return results from everywhere we can get. And you can create your own groups using our offline accessibility feature. All of these images are legal to download and use, 100% copyright free. This app will be loved by editors, content writers, newsmakers, storytellers, and just about every single computer user that just wants to set a new desktop wallpaper. BigFinder will be available early 2022. Over you, Josh.
Thank you, Bogdan. Amazing, right? For our next project, I would like to invite Alex to the stage. Alex?
Almost 210 million smart TV units were sold in the world in 2019, but only a fraction of it can be used as a screen to stream video files from your computer. Unfortunately, many of them are significantly limited in the video formats they are able to play, forcing you to lose your time converting video files beforehand. Also, streaming protocols may vary for each device, so you have to find a solution that fits best to your needs. We want you to get rid from all of that hassle. Introducing Streamer app. Stream video files of any format to your Apple TV, Samsung, or LG Smart TV directly from your Mac or PC. Streamer app will feature subtitle support, multiple audio track support, and 4K HDR video support for selected TV models. So your home TV will get an upgrade. Streamer app will be available in mid-2022 for Mac and Windows. Now, back to you, Josh.
Thank you, Alex. Wow, we just started and we already have 4 new app releases coming. Since the release of WALTR in 2014, we were bombarded with feedback and requests to make an app that not only pushes content into iOS devices, but can also export from iPhone to computer. An app that can access, restore, and transfer back to the computer data from your iPhone to your computer with the same ease of use as WALTR. In a way, iTunes from Apple has always been that tool, but it was discontinued 2 years ago. Today, I'm very thrilled to announce the biggest release in Softorino history. iTunes. Your iPhone under your full control for Mac and Windows. It is what it sounds, an alternative to iTunes. This is by far the most complicated software we've ever designed. iTunes is a suite of 15 apps where you can manage backups, where you can manage and export your SMS messages, your photos, your music and videos, ringtones, voice memos, calendars, and so much more. Pretty much with iTunes, you can manage all content on your iPhone in a simple way. We wanted iTunes to be accessible and get the best from each platform. Therefore, iTunes has altered designs for Mac and Windows, capturing visual cultures of each operating system. iTunes for Windows will be available in early 2022, while iTunes for Mac will be available in late 2022. So in Softorino Phase 2, we have 6 new app releases coming, in addition to our existing app lineup. This is huge. It's an unprecedented plan that we wanted to share with you today. But what if I told you that we're not done yet? We put on the grid all our existing apps from Phase 1, added all new apps from Phase 2, and we thought, wow, this is really a lot. A lot of marketing, a lot of headache for our users to pick which app they need, and the total value of all these apps will cost you over $300. That's insane. We wanted to make our apps more accessible to each and every one of you. Which is why today, I'm thrilled to announce a new way to have all Softorino apps. Introducing Softorino Universal License. With the Universal License, you get our past, present, and future apps plus free upgrades, all for just $292 instead of $300. Now that's insane. All our existing customers and subscribers will get special terms. And if you have subscribed to WALTR PRO or SVC2 in the past 6 months, you will get the first year of Universal License for free. This means that tens of thousands of new subscribers will be able to upgrade to Universal License at no additional cost. This is phenomenal. Universal License is by far the most ambitious and bold project we've ever attempted. We're so excited that so many new users will be able to experience our new apps, our past apps and solutions without making any complicated financial decisions. Softorino Phase 1 has concluded with 12 app releases, and Softorino Phase 2 is commencing now with 6 new projects being released, including iTunes and Folder Colorizer for Mac. And Universal License, a new singular way to access all Softorino apps, all for just $292 instead of $300. Upgrades to Universal License start today. All our existing customers, be sure to check your inbox for your special terms. Thank you to all the Softorino team behind this that made all of this possible. And thank you. Stay safe and see you soon.